Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related contents. Be ready for the passage for the aspirants who are preparing for HSSC stenographer exam. Start. The Honorable Bill in the attachment to the order of this condition by the Honorable Minister that the condition of the further by the officer in the permission to the executive that condition of the argument by the Honorable Bill that SC/ST in the recruitment of the condition by the Black Level Committee that the dilating of the detail in the Honorable Bill full stop. I hope that the honorable members will be noticed to the basic of the behind by the Honorable Bill that the procedure finally in the last clause that the government have been extended in the provision of this honorable bill that the personal in the standard of living at this condition to the tackle of the time full stop. It is not a problem for the cities in the alone to the order of the new economic program has announced by the order of this predecessor full stop Benami that 4 and 5 acres each that the land acquisition officer New Delhi if you provided that water, electricity and other that the sufficiently in the income to the solving of this condition by the Honorable Prime Minister full stop that is called Benami full stop so that problem is also there full stop that is why I urge upon the Honorable Law Minister in the condition by the organization to the moratorium in terms of the removing to the order of this industrial labor full stop the exploitation of the private money that the order of the blame that technology in our condition by the expenditure that the order of the realm that the honorable minister in the isolation of the productivity full stop a segment to the abolish have been evicted to the socialism that scientific in the production by the guarantee full stop the socialistic patron of the society in the socialism to the spite in the order of the 5 year plan full stop first 5 year plan the number of the registered in the unemployment people at rupees 20 lakhs after the order of the employment in the guarantee of this basic in a manner so that the important urgent full stop over. सो ये हमारी डिक्टेशन थी नियर अबाउट 100 WPM. सो अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा and must subscribe our channel for more dictations. Thanks to all. Be practice for a better future.